how to make videos with pictures and music on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Instagram applications. After that, you just have to tap on here, and here I'm selecting a black background and tap on this icon. After that, tap on photo. Here you can select the photo and adjust it as per your choice or required. After that, you have to select music. So tap on this music icon. After that, you can select the music as per your choice. So here I am selecting it. Now you can simply drag this to side to select the music as per you wish, and you can also choose the text or none or different types of text for the music. And after selecting that, you can tap on done and your video with pictures and music is ready, so you can simply post it. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.